Okay guys, all the superstition aside, we got a Cranberry Loko unopened, as you can see. Weird stuff's been going on. You saw the video with the dead bird and the UPS guy delivering packages and all the other crazy stuff. Shout outs to Terminator 13, Black Metal Troy, OD'd, B2M Greatest, everybody that comments on my videos. The matter on what happened on Friday is closed. No more comments, please. Okay. Appreciate it. We're going to use this right here. Hopefully we won't have no more pull tab problems. You saw if you look at my full description on my last video, the pull tab kept spinning around for no damn reason. So we'll do a little Loko dance for you here. Do a little shotgun. This one's a little better already. Alright. Shout out to DJ Entertainment for this. Doughboy Jr. Let's see what we can do for you guys here. Delicious. Cranberry lemonade. Just did a shotgun, 12%, 24 ounce can, 23.5, sorry. And I feel like I can do 10 more. New vids are coming. I got a 6-pack of Steel Reserve 211. And I got some cool stuff on the way, guys. I'm gonna blow up a damn well, I'll show you. There's the fire pit. I'm gonna blow up this birdhouse. There ain't no birds in it. Not tonight, but it's coming. I promise a couple people are gonna do it. I'm gonna blow this up here and build a fire. Well, you guys will just have to wait for that vid, but yeah, nice little shotgun there, and give you guys a little shot at the tomatoes. These Lokos are really starting to energize me. I kind of like it. I can do a bunch more. There you go. There's some tomatoes for you guys. Take you into the scene of the crime. There's more down there. So yeah, beautiful day. And stay tuned, everyone. Give you a shot of the sky there. Low humidity. Temperatures in the mid-80s. Friday night, they said we actually could go down to 49 degrees. We haven't seen that. Last night was 67, I believe, for a low temperature. And that was the coldest for like literally 2 months. Next week they're saying highs back in the 90s for southern Ohio, so another heat wave coming. So beautiful day, guys. I'm gonna sit out here and drink some beers and off camera and maybe build a fire. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe make another video in there. There's the old Loko there. Aftermath. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Nothing in there, as you can see. She's bone dry. In memory of Vile Kyle. Well, not memory, but remember the can to the fan? How about can to the wall? There you go, guys. Stay tuned. Yellow Groove out. See you guys later, man. Thanks for watching. Peace to all my new subscribers. You guys know who you are. Steel Worldwide. Love your tuxedo and your good videos and all that. Keep chugging that malt liquor, baby. I wish I could buy it around here. Just can't do it. They don't sell it. Love your style, bro. Love all my subs. Thank you guys, man. See ya.